Recently, I come across a video on YouTube where a YouTuber was teaching how he made $100 online just by watching videos. And I was really curious to know how did he do it, because this is a YouTuber that I've watched a lot of his video and I've discovered yes, he's actually doing well. Another thing that made me really interested on his video was because he's not just a small creator, he have a lot of followers on his channel. So I wanted to know if this is just another YouTuber teaching how to make money online that doesn't work, or if this particular one was legit. So I decided to check the app out myself to know if it's actually working. Yes, if you can actually make money from watching videos online, because I know that there's a lot of platform that claims that you can make money from watching videos online. And while you go there to watch your videos, you might just discover that it's just another time wasting platform. Yes, a lot of them at the end you won't be able to withdraw your money. At the end, they'll tell you to pay a particular fee. At the end, one thing or the other may just come up and you won't be able to get your money, and you just will end up wasting your data. So I decided to check this particular platform at myself to actually check if it's actually working, so that I can come here and let you know if it's true or if it's not. So when I got to the platform and I check it out, I was able to discover three interesting things about this platform, which is number one, don't need any money to register. No, you are not registration is free. You don't need any money to register, and you don't need any money to withdraw your money here. You are not going to pay anything to withdraw your money. Number two is that it's accessible to Nigerians. Yes, as in Nigeria, it's accessible to you. You can use it here in Nigeria without using any VPN or any other thing. No, you don't need that. Another thing is that you can withdraw it to your local bank account. Yes, you don't really need PayPal, Payoneer, or other foreign accounts to withdraw your money. No, with your paper account, you can withdraw it, and it's as simple as that. So that was the three things that I saw on this platform that actually made my interest to grow on it, to actually check it out. So if you are someone that's actually looking for ways to make money online, and one of the ways that you will be looking for is making money from watching video online, I need to go to the comment section and type watching video. Yes, go to the comment section and type watching videos. Then I'll know that you're actually serious about the video and you really want to make money from just watching videos. In this video, I'll be going through the app, everything I learned from it from beginning, from how to register, how to make money from it, and everything that would be beneficial to you. I'll be showing you in this particular video. If today is your first time coming across my video, my name is Solo Wise, and I teach about content creation, YouTube growth, and also how to make money online. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, turn notification bell, and make sure you like the video, so that anytime a video just like this, you get notified. I would like you to join my community on Telegram and WhatsApp, where I drop link on how you can make money online. Yeah, different platform where you can make money online. I drop the link on my platform. So I will advise you to join so that you don't miss any of that. You are going to love it. So without more further ado, let's dive into the video. So to get the link to register on this platform, I have the link pinned on my Telegram channel. Yes, you can go to my Telegram channel. You will get the link on my Telegram channel. I did not post it here because I want to know those that are really serious about it to actually get the link. The link is on my Telegram channel and also my WhatsApp channel. You are going to get the link there. And the link to my Telegram WhatsApp platform are in the description. And this is how the interface look like. Yes, this is how the interface look like. Over here, you can see the home. Just so you can see it here, this is the home. Over here is for you, where you watch the video. Here is the reward where you can see the reward, and this is your profile, where you know everything about your information. Yes, so once you register, the registration is not just hard, it's not hard. It's that you register with your Google or you register with your Facebook. It's just those two. So for you to make money, just for you to just come to this place that says for you, this for you page, and then click on the for you, and you'll be able to watch a lot of video. Over here, this is where your money will be counting, just as you can see it over here. Yes, so as you can see it, once you're watching, that is where it will be counting, and once you see that it have loaded up, you can just claim your money. once you click on claim, it will bring you this place. You can just back it and see this place here. Click on claim. Yeah, we have gotten the money, which is 450 coins. Yes. So that is just it. You just can just watch as many video as you want. Over here, when you go to the reward, you see that you can also make money from inviting friends. Yes, if you invite someone, you will be getting 195,000 points. Yes, that is a lot of money. And also, you can make money from daily check-in. Yes, you can make money from daily check-in just by coming to the platform daily. You can make money from it. Other ways to make money is through watching ads. Yes, if you watch ads, you make money. Play lucky draw, you make money. And try other games, you can make money. And also this one I say invite friends. That is another way to make money. So under task is enable notification. If you enable notification, you make money from it. If you follow their WhatsApp channel, you make money. If you follow their TikTok, you make money. If you follow their Telegram, you make money. And if you fill in invitation code, you also make money. So that is ways to make money from this platform. Yeah. Now over to how to withdraw. As you can see here, I have 59 points already, which is 0 point. You can see here I have 59 points already, 59.56k, which is 0.06 dollar. And I haven't even spent a lot of time. I think checked this platform uh, at in the today, and yes, in early today morning, and I have to go back to stuff that I haven't really spent a lot of time. And I believe that if I spend a day on this platform, I'm going to make a lot of money from it. So to withdraw, you have to just click on this withdrawal over here. Just as you can see it, this is the withdrawal over here. Click on it to withdraw your money. So this is what I'm talking about. You can withdraw. Look at their minimum withdrawal, which is 6,000 naira. So once you click on the 6,000, you can withdraw. So over here, this is their withdrawal rule. The required coin for withdrawal include the handling fee, which means you are not paying any extra money to withdraw your money. Yes. So to withdraw your money, just click on the amount you want to withdraw. That is, if you have reached the withdrawal, if you already have the amount on your platform, just go to click on withdraw. Click on the amount. You can see withdraw method, bank. Yes, your bank. Then you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you'll be able to withdraw your money if you have reached the funds. Yes, over here it's showing a sufficient balance. If you have reached the withdrawal threshold, you'll be able to withdraw your money. So that is just it. Now I'll be giving you two things that make me believe that this platform is actually working. One of them is it have an app. Yes, and the app is on Play Store. One thing that I love about Google Play Store is that they won't let you to register a, an app that is not legit. Yes, an app that is scamming people. They won't let you to register it on their platform, especially if it's making money app. Another way that I know that this platform is working because of the ads. If you actually go through this platform very well, you notice that they push a lot of ads on this platform, and these ads are being pushed from Google AdSense to this app. Yes, so anytime you watch these ads, you're not getting paid for the video you are watching. Yes, that's one thing I noticed. You're not getting paid for the video you are watching. You are getting paid for the ads that are being put on those videos that you are watching. So that are one of the reasons that make me to believe that this platform is actually working. I'm planning that on the next 5 days, I'll come back to actually show you how I was able to withdraw, if I was able to withdraw from this platform or not. And if you really want to see that video, if you're actually interested, because I might make the video, other things might come up, I might not make the video. But if you really want me to make the video and you are serious about it, I'll let you go to the comment section and let me know in the comment section. Yes, let me know in the comment section if you actually want me to make that video. Yeah. So if you really enjoyed the video and you're not yet subscribed, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so that anytime a video just like this, you will get notified. And please don't forget to like, because once you like the video, it will help to signify to the algorithm that this video is good and you help to push it to more people. My name remains Slow Wise, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks.